Alright, y'all, we're on the road. We're in the highlight of Memphis, Tennessee. What'd you get, Tyler? What's your gas station?
All kinds of stuff, man. It's all keto friendly, of course. I got combos, Pichos, and Rice Krispie treats.
Definitely
hey, what's that one? What's the right one? Combos?
Yeah, combos.
What is that? I've never heard of that before.
Really?
I got some chicken cracklings. I didn't even know those existed. And I got some barbecue with chicken cracklings. So pretty clean ingredients. I'm gonna try these and see if chicken cracklings are as good as pork cracklings. Alright, y'all, so I didn't know what combos were. This is what Tyler got, and they're like, sorry it's so bumpy, layered dip tortilla. It's got like a Mexican bean dip kind of thing. We got 7 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. The first 2 ingredients are wheat flour and vegetable oil. Alright, Tyler, you can have these back.
Thank you.
Now, these cracklings, I'm gonna try the barbecue one. That's what they look like. Focus.
Bumpy,
now.
bumpy.
Not too bad. Chicken cracklings, y'all. Who would have thunk it? Alright, going to Subway. Get some grub. Alright, Tyler. Tyler got a sandwich. Mom got a salad. I got a salad. Alright, y'all, my mom wanted me to show how pretty these flowers are. Except we're moving too fast to see them. They are pretty though. You're pretty, mama.
Oh, you're so cute.
Alright, what's up, y'all? We just got done driving. Mom and Tyler went over to my grandfather's house. We got the wedding on Saturday. They're doing their thing. I'm about to have some elk and some salmon. That's what we're looking like right here. There's the salmon, elk. Doesn't that look good? I got some chefs in the kitchen over here cooking for us. What's going on? You guys know these people, right? Julius. We got Matt.
A sous chef over here too.
Sous chef?
Yeah.
How you doing, Julius? He missed me. He knew who I was.
Yeah.
Like the shirt, man.
Deeper state.
How you doing, Mega? Alright, y'all. Today's vlog is pretty sparse. I got like a good 2 minutes in. We just drove all day long, so not much to be said there. But had a great conversation with Matt and Mega, and Julius Miley is here as well. Solved all the world's problems. I'm gonna end this vlog with letting them say something inspiring.
Matt first.
Something inspiring?
So, just something in general.
Never give up. No, a new thing I've been thinking about lately is becoming the person that is capable of achieving what you want to achieve. Your current form, you're not capable yet of achieving all these grand schemes you have. But you keep on working on self-improvement every day. Eventually you become the person that can achieve what you want to achieve.
I like that. What's
Keep
like
working.
what's the segue? Like, how does one go about in a practical standpoint?
I think it's mostly just a change in the perspective on things, because everyone's kind of like, thinking something is going to happen. You get like a big break, something like that. But I guess the practical everyday would just be consistency. You're going to suck at first. Over time, you'll get better and better. And eventually, you will, I guess, like, mostly just like improving over time on something that you personally want to do. It's like you're not very good at first. I think that's the first thing. You got to kind of accept that. And I'm rambling a lot now, but yeah. So basically, becoming the person that is capable of achieving what you want to achieve is like for example, right now, if you are overweight, you might not right now be able to be like super strict on your diet, but you can be strict for 2 days, bad for 1 day. Then like a month from now, maybe you're strict for 3 days, bad for 1 day. You're just getting better and better. Eventually you can just be strict.
I like
Let's end
that.
it there.
No, one
I
more.
lost it in the middle there for a while.
I
know.
We got a redeeming question here. What is one thing that you are doing specifically right now that illustrates that?
Huh. What am I doing specifically now? I think a lot of it is more like work-life balance. Like for the past few years, I would say it was just work, work, work. Now I'm more focusing on like what makes me happy, like spending time with Mega at night, you know, like laying with my pets, stuff like that. I think having a good work-life balance is something that's important to me because it's not just all about like, you know, making Keto Connect succeed. It's about being fulfilled in life, having a happy life. And Mega being happy is a big part of that, is what I'm realizing. So yeah, just like taking time. Last 2 hours of the night, usually we watch TV, we hang out, we chat.
I love it. I love it. Mega?
I guess I'll say something counter to that, because me and Matt are very different individuals, and we rub off on each other a lot in positive ways, as your partner should for you. But like, I don't set goals. I don't like have a journal I turn to and like, you know, write down aspirations. And that's okay. Like, you don't have to just have this 5-year, 10-year goal. You don't have to like have these huge dreams. You can just live day to day and love the life you're living. So for me, a big part of like feeling good every day is just having positive thoughts. So make all your thoughts as positive as possible. So like, if you're having, you know, a crappy day, I don't know, just think positively about all the other things that surround that negativity. This sounds dumb now that I'm saying it out loud, but
it sounds great.
Thank you.
I like it. I like it.
I think positivity is like the force that allows everything else to happen. Because you can set goals, but if you're not positive about achieving those goals, then you're not going to reach them. So just, you know, be positive about your life, enjoy your life, and you know, help me out here.
So we edit our videos heavily, as you guys can tell. Robert doesn't edit; he just like shoots it.
This is in the raw, y'all.
Yeah.
Julius, any parting thoughts?
What do you got, Julius? He's kind of tired. He usually goes to bed about an hour ago.
Yeah, he's tired.
I just want to point out that Julius remembered who I was.
Go to the camera, Julius.
Go to the camera. Look. There he goes. He's
There you go. You doing all right, buddy? Night. Good night. We'll end it there.